I just like when a guy knows how to like do things with his hands.
Sexy.
Okay, I think it's really sexy when a guy...
What's up, gentlemen? So as you know, I like starting businesses. It's my hobby, right? I'm an entrepreneur. It's what I do. And I've come to realize that being an entrepreneur, starting businesses, being business-minded is incredibly attractive in terms of hobbies for a dude to have. And since today I'm going in to get my hair cut, I thought, whoa, this is an amazing opportunity to actually go in, talk to some of these hairstyling sirens at Salon Post to see what they have to say about other hobbies that make men attractive. So you didn't realize that the reason I started this business was that I would have a plethora of sassiness surrounding me at all time to help you, the gentleman, be better and more awesome.
Being into music, concerts, being a drummer.
Drummer specifically?
Yes.
You think drummers are the sexiest?
Sexy.
Spicy, 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 spicy. Is that, what do you think? Hannah, yeah? That's what I'm talking about!
Okay, so mine would be making music. And
Like what do you mean making music?
like if you play the guitar,
What is it about musicians that are so sexy?
they're just hot. I don't
Yeah?
know. I don't know, they're just hot. They're just hot.
Of course, music, everybody knows. Like, you want to be like automatically more attractive, gentlemen, take up a musical instrument, whether or not it's a guitar, drums, even a piccolo. Maybe a piccolo is not exactly like the sexiest of instruments, but it's still musical.
Motorcycles and hot rods, man.
That's it, right?
Motorcycles and hot rods. Vroom, vroom.
It's actually one of the things that surprises most people about Steven is that he's like super into like motorcycles and cars, and you're like like you rebuild them.
Yep, rebuild them, start from finish, motorcycles, hot rods, all that good stuff.
He's like super
And
manly.
skateboard.
He's super manly. He just happens. See, you were smart coming and doing the hair thing. It was to be around all these
Beautiful women all day long. What more can you ask?
beautiful women all day long. All right, let's do this.
I think it's so sexy when a guy can cook.
Okay, I think it's really sexy when a guy cooks you dinner.
So a guy who's like a chef or into cooking.
It doesn't matter. If they take the time to cook you dinner, that's a good thing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Does your husband do that?
Oh yeah.
Cooking, gentlemen, cooking. If you are a dude and you know your way around the kitchen, or you can follow instructions, automatically raises your sexiness from like a 6 to an 11.8.
Hiking, anything outdoorsy. Rock climbing, hiking.
Active outside.
Active outside, yeah.
Candace,
Yo.
what is, here, take your mask down. What is an attractive hobby that a guy can have?
To me, somebody who's connected to nature, so I would say hiking.
So nature, like, what about like camping and stuff?
Yeah, for sure.
Really?
Yeah.
Super hot?
To me, yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love the idea of having the skills to survive, like just off the land and nature, drop me somewhere remote. Unfortunately, I don't have those skills. If you left me for longer than like 11 hours, I would probably be in trouble. But I can hike my ass off, as long as it's not too treacherous.
I think it's sexy when a guy's into MMA fighting.
Do you think Conor McGregor's gonna win?
Yeah.
First round?
Second.
Second?
Yeah.
Not first round knockout? What you got, Jordan?
Anything that is relatively physical and or masculine that way. I just like when a guy knows how to like do things with his hands.
What about like UFC fighting?
Definitely.
Okay,
I like the aggression, I'm not gonna lie.
Are you gonna watch a fight this weekend?
Hell yeah, Conor McGregor, baby.
Want some of that? Exactly. So, true story, I have never been punched in the face. That I know is probably surprising, and is probably one of the reasons why UFC fighting is one of my biggest guilty pleasures. I'm so freaking excited about this weekend's UFC fight, if I'm being honest. And the other thing that makes it even more exciting is that I went to DraftKings and actually like drafted my fighters. Let me explain. So DraftKings is today's video sponsor, but DraftKings is the official gaming partner of the UFC. They're putting you in the center of the freaking action with a free shot at millions of dollars in total prizes. If you're a new user and you use the code ALPHAM at sign up, you're gonna get a free shot at millions of dollars in total prizes. So the way that you play is like super awesome, and it honestly is a ton of fun, all right? The way that it works, you draft 6 fighters for Saturday night's fight. Each fighter listed has an assigned salary, and in order for it to be like a valid lineup, you can't exceed $50,000 in terms of the salary cap. And while you're watching, guys, you're gonna rack up fantasy points for advances, takedowns, knockouts, and a bunch of other stuff. For full rules and the scoring, guys, all you gotta do is go to DraftKings.com/MMA. When I went to build my lineup, guys, I like totally like geeked out. I started doing like all sorts of like analysis, internet searches, and I think I'm feeling pretty good about who I picked. It's so much freaking fun, and it just ups and elevates like the excitement of the whole experience, which I'm already super pumped and excited about. DraftKings makes the experience of watching your favorite fighters. Even, did you see that, bud? Exactly. I would get my ass knocked out. Guys, hit the link down below. Make sure to use the code ALPHAM when you're signing up for a free shot at millions of dollars in total prizes.
I think it's super hot when a guy likes cats.
Seriously?
Yeah. Loves cats.
Cats? I've got like 4 of them.
Really? I have 3.
Who makes me sexy? Exactly, you make me sexy, little snuggle puss. What? Don't look at me like that. I've said it once, I've said it 1,000 times. Dogs are fine, but cats are awesome. Anyway, the truth is that if you want to automatically increase your ability to like talk to spicy senoritas, get a dog and walk it. The truth is, the uglier the dog, the better. If it's kind of deformed and got like one eye and maybe like an underbite, perfect. Got like 3 legs and it hops, that's even more perfect. Gentlemen, the uglier the dog, the more attractive you are.
And then it's hot when guys read a lot too.
Really?
Intellectual, yes.
So a smart guy.
Yes, very smart guy.
Reading, eh? Check it, cat. Yes, exactly. Check that box. Read. If you are a dude and you enjoy reading, sitting down with a good book, maybe in a coffee shop or a park, right? Get a little, exactly. With the dog, park, book, oh my God, like forget about it. You are sexy.
That's like, he loves cleaning.
Say it.
My man does the laundry, and that is sexy.
You're a dude and you clean. You help your spicy senorita around the house. You do laundry. I'm like, yeah, rah, rip it off. Like, forget about it. You win because so many dudes are sloppy, filthy pigs. Sexy hobby for a dude.
Flying a plane, that's pretty sexy.
You know a lot of guys who fly planes?
I mean, my husband flies a plane.
Ooh, is that what made you attracted to him?
No, he started doing that after we got married.
Definitely an expensive hobby though, right?
It is, but I mean, if you can afford it, then
go with it.
Yeah, go with it.
So this was one that was a little bit of a stretch for most dudes, unless of course you've got access to a plane, which most dudes don't. You got something else?
Yeah, so if you're just really good at anything, doesn't matter what it is, it can be painting, playing the piano, whatever it is, that's hot. Like if you just specialize in something, that's really hot too.
This answer is dynamite. I love it so much because it's totally true, right? If you're good at something, it doesn't matter what it is, but if you apply yourself in a specific area to a specific task or something, gentlemen, it's automatically making you super freaking attractive. And last but certainly not least, number 10's from my girl, Laura, who's bringing the heat. Laura.
Yes.
An attractive hobby that a guy can have. What do you got?
Oh man, I just think it's really attractive that if a guy is like passionate about anything that he's in, like something that makes him happy. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be art, it could be making music, it could be gardening, it could be anything.
So just have passion.
Yeah, just something that makes you happy.
And excited.
Do that, yeah.
I love anything else.
No, your haircut looks good.
I think this is an absolute perfect way to end this video. If you are passionate about something, it doesn't matter what it is, it doesn't matter what gets you excited or what you enjoy doing. The fact is, if you're excited, the fact that you are passionate about something automatically is very, very, very attractive to most people. Guys, you gotta have passion, whether or not it's business, entrepreneurship, or you're flying a plane, or you're reading about cats, or hiking a mountain up to a drum circle. That's what I'm talking about, gentlemen. The fact is, you are amazing, and I think that is where we should wrap things up. Ladies?
Bye!
Gentlemen, that is the end of the video. And if you dug this, why don't you drop us one of these and be like, yo, Spicy Senoritas, thanks for hooking us up. And Alpha, your hair looks amazing.